Palisa was being attacked by cattle rustlers and also was a battleground with Lakwena. We had a big battle with Lakwena at a place called Kait. Where is Kait? But now there is peace. Contribution number 2 is the development. The roads,
Irotin,
the electricity,
Akim, Masanyalaze,
the telephones,
Esimui, Rabatolago,
the water,
Akipi, Luelaete,
the railway in some areas,
Egalilo Apuru,
the internet. Where we passed on the road, there's a very good tarmac road. Whether they sleep on the tarmac road at night. NADS,
the program on law NADS,
Operation Wealth Creation,
the Operation Wealth Creation,
Emioga, Women Fund,
Fund Rabati, Abungarangarakitangor,
Youth Fund,
Loa Tumunak,
now recently PDM.
Ejaikwana EPDM, Rabati Parish Development Model.
All this is on one issue. Please get out of poverty at your household level.
Third, and then we shall wind up